Welcome to our channel. We are so glad you found your way here. Let us help you fall asleep. Let's begin with Atlas the Astronomer, the Titan who mapped the heavens. Adawais Abanisma, take a slow, deep breath in and release it. Let the centuries fade away as we drift through the quiet echoes of the past. Your mind is calm. The ruins are peaceful, and we are ready to explore. Atlas, a figure emerging from the annals of mythology, represents the embodiment of celestial knowledge and wisdom. This Titan, often depicted bearing the weight of the heavens, serves as a metaphor for human endeavor in the quest to understand the cosmos. His contributions to astronomy transcended mere observation, weaving a connection between the observable universe and the intricate principles governing it. At icing times, civilizations relied on celestial navigation, with figures like Atlas guiding their understanding of the stars and planets. Knowledge was passed down through generations, shaping the beliefs, cultures, and practices of various societies. These ancient astronomers meticulously charted the night sky, identifying constellations and celestial bodies that would influence agriculture, navigation, and timekeeping. The significance of Atlas extends into the realm of cartography, where maps were not just representations of land but reflections of the universe itself. The meticulous documentation of celestial movements and the creation of star maps allowed for a deeper comprehension of the cosmos. This meticulousness laid the groundwork for future astronomers who would build upon these foundational insights. While the enduring legacy of Atlas is evident in contemporary astronomy, his influence can be traced through the ages as the pursuit of knowledge continues to expand, revealing the complexities of the universe and our place within it. The Titan's spirit lives on in every effort to map the heavens anew. Vilauces held significant roles in ancient mythology, embodying the primal forces that shaped the cosmos. This group, often depicted as colossal beings, represented not only strength but also the complex interplay of creation and destruction. They were considered the ancestors of gods, existing before the Olympians who would later dominate the mythological landscape. Each Titan bore distinct attributes, influencing various aspects of the universe and human experience. In this region, myths describe how these deities governed the elements, celestial bodies, and natural phenomena. For instance, one Titan presided over the sun, illuminating the world and marking the passage of time. Another governed the ocean, embodying the untamed and mysterious depths. Such narratives underscored the belief in divine forces as the architects of existence. Their stories often reflect the tension between order and chaos. The Titan's eventual overthrow by the Olympian gods symbolizes a shift from primordial power to a more structured pantheon. This transition highlighted humanity's evolving understanding of the cosmos, where chaos gave way to order, and the unpredictable was reined in by divine authority. These figures served as archetypes, influencing not only religious practices, but also the cultural narratives that shaped societies. Their legacies persist, echoing through the ages in literature, art, and the ongoing quest to comprehend the universe. Early references to Atlas in Greek literature illustrate his multifaceted role within the pantheon of mythology. He is often depicted as a Titan burdened with the weight of the heavens, a symbol of endurance and strength. Hesiod's Theogony presents him as a figure of great stature, positioned at the edge of the world, holding up the celestial sphere. This portrayal emphasizes not just physical endurance, but also a connection to the divine. In later texts, the interpretation of Atlas evolves. Pindar, for instance, describes him not merely as a bearer of the heavens, but as a wise figure possessing profound knowledge of the stars and their movements. This characterization aligns with the ancient Greeks' view of celestial bodies as guides for navigation and timekeeping. Such interpretations echo the reverence attributed to astronomical knowledge in ancient societies. The works of Apollonius of Rhodes further expand on his narrative, situating Atlas within the context of exploration and discovery. Here, he becomes a guardian of knowledge, a custodian of maps and navigation skills essential for sailors. These literary portrayals contribute to the rich tapestry of Atlas's identity, blending themes of strength, wisdom, and celestial authority. This ancient figure remains a touchstone in literature, embodying humanity's enduring fascination with the cosmos and the quest for understanding the vastness beyond. Navigating the expansive waters of the ancient world, seafarers relied on the knowledge of celestial bodies, a practice intertwined with the legacy of Atlas. This figure, often depicted holding the heavens upon his shoulders, symbolizes not merely strength but also a profound understanding of the stars that guide travelers across uncharted seas. Navigation, in its earliest forms, was a meticulous art, dependent on the positions of celestial entities that Atlas personified. The constellations served as reference points, illuminating the path through vast and often treacherous waters. Mariners would observe the night sky, using the North Star as a fixed guide, allowing them to traverse distances that seemed insurmountable. The connections between Atlas and navigation extend to cartography as well. Ancient maps often featured celestial motifs, reflecting a belief that the heavens were interwoven with earthly journeys. Through this lens, Atlas becomes a symbol of guidance and exploration, representing the human desire to seek knowledge beyond familiar shores. The alignment of stars played a crucial role in determining latitude and longitude, facilitating trade and cultural exchanges among distant civilizations. This relationship forged a legacy, where the wisdom of Atlas resonates through time, guiding not only mariners but also those who seek to explore the unknown realms of existence. The age of exploration marked a pivotal era, characterized by an insatiable curiosity that propelled navigators across uncharted waters. It was during this time that the art of celestial navigation flourished, with the stars serving as vital guides for those venturing into the vast unknown. Maps drawn from the observations of astronomers like Atlas became essential tools, translating the cosmos into navigable paths. Astronomy's advancements paralleled this explorative spirit, merging empirical observation with the imaginative grasp of the universe. The development of more precise instruments enabled mariners to determine their position with greater accuracy, fostering a deeper understanding of both the skies and the world below. These innovations often stemmed from the foundational work laid by early astronomers, who meticulously catalogued stars and celestial bodies, providing the frameworks upon which future knowledge would rest. This period also saw the exchange of ideas across cultures as scholars shared their findings and methodologies. The merging of Eastern and Western astronomical practices enriched the scientific discourse, allowing for a more comprehensive view of celestial phenomena. As navigators sailed further, They carried with them not only their ships, but also the collective wisdom of generations, creating a dialogue between the heavens and earth that would shape humanity's relationship with the cosmos for centuries to come. Celestial mapping emerged as an essential practice within ancient civilizations, reflecting their profound connection to the skies. In various regions, early astronomers observed patterns among stars, planets, and celestial phenomena. These studies were not mere curiosities. They served practical purposes, guiding agricultural practices, religious observances, and navigation on this. The meticulous recording of celestial positions allowed for the development of calendars, fundamental for agricultural societies dependent on seasonal changes. The Sumerians, for instance, identified constellations, using them to mark specific times for planting and harvesting. Their observations paved the way for more sophisticated astronomical instruments, which further refined their understanding of the celestial sphere. In another part of the world, the ancient Maya crafted intricate star maps, linking celestial events with terrestrial happenings. This deep-seated belief in the cosmos's influence on human affairs underscored their societal practices. These celestial observations were often documented in codices, which provided insights into their astronomical knowledge and rituals. The Greeks, too, contributed significantly to celestial mapping, with figures like Hipparchus creating star catalogues that catalogued over 1,000 stars. This legacy influenced later civilizations, intertwining the knowledge of the cosmos with philosophical inquiries about existence and the universe. Through these efforts, the ancient civilizations forged an enduring legacy, intertwining humanity's fate with the rhythms of the heavens. The influence of Babylonian astronomy on Greek thought is evident in the works of early philosophers and mathematicians. This region housed a wealth of astronomical knowledge, meticulously recorded on clay tablets, which laid the groundwork for future inquiry. Observations of celestial phenomena, such as the cycles of the moon and the movements of planets, were documented with remarkable precision. These records provided a framework for understanding the cosmos, which later scholars would build upon. As Greek thinkers encountered Babylonian texts, they assimilated this knowledge into their own philosophical frameworks. The concept of a geocentric universe, where the Earth occupies a central position, found its roots in these early records. The Greeks began to adopt Babylonian methods of calculations, refining them to develop a more systematic approach to astronomy. Observational techniques were enhanced, leading to more accurate predictions of celestial events. The interaction between these two cultures fostered a rich intellectual exchange that would shape the course of Western thought. Figures such as Aristotle and Ptolemy drew upon Babylonian insights, leading to developments in both scientific and philosophical realms. This synthesis of ideas contributed significantly to the foundations of modern astronomy, illustrating the profound impact of Babylonian scholarship on subsequent generations. The legacy of this collaboration endures, echoing through the corridors of time. The concept of the celestial sphere emerged as a cornerstone of ancient astronomical thought. This construct envisioned the heavens as a vast, hollow sphere surrounding the Earth, with stars affixed to its inner surface. The simplicity of this model allowed scholars to account for the movements of celestial bodies with remarkable clarity. It provided a framework within which the sun, moon, and stars could be observed and recorded, fostering a deeper understanding of their patterns. Astronomers began to map these movements meticulously, creating a reliable guide for navigation and agricultural planning. The celestial sphere facilitated the development of orreries, intricate models that represented the positions of planets and their orbits. Through careful observations, it became clear that the stars maintained specific positions relative to one another, forming constellations that served both practical and mythological purposes. In this region, the sphere symbolized not only the cosmos, but also the interconnectedness of time and space. It represented the unyielding march of the seasons, as well as the cyclical nature of life itself. The mathematical precision in mapping these heavenly bodies led to advancements in geometry and trigonometry, laying the groundwork for future scientific inquiry. Through this lens, the celestial sphere became a tool of exploration, guiding humanity toward an ever-expanding understanding of the universe. The concept of the world map emerged as a reflection of humanity's desire to comprehend the vastness of their surroundings. Atlas, known primarily for his celestial contributions, also played a pivotal role in shaping terrestrial understandings. This figure became synonymous with cartography, embodying the quest to depict not just the heavens but the intricate details of the Earth itself. His influence extended beyond mere illustrations. It marked a significant turning point in how societies envisioned their place in the world. These maps, often adorned with elaborate illustrations, conveyed information about lands both known and speculative. Each cartographic endeavor served as a record of exploration, a testament to the bravery of those who traversed uncharted territories. The work of Atlas provided a foundation upon which future mapmakers would build, establishing conventions that remain relevant. This merging of celestial and terrestrial mapping revealed a holistic view, suggesting that the cosmos and the Earth were interconnected. It encompassed a deeper understanding of geography, climate, and cultural exchanges. This region of knowledge fostered advancements in navigation, leading explorers to discover new horizons and establish trade routes that would shape economies and societies. Soyet, Evolution of Thought, the world map stood as a silent witness to humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge, capturing the essence of exploration and discovery. Geography and astronomy formed a profound relationship in ancient cultures, intertwining the earthly and celestial realms. This connection was not merely an academic curiosity, but a practical necessity for those who relied on the stars to navigate their surroundings. Celestial bodies served as reference points, guiding travelers across vast landscapes and uncharted waters. Observations made by early astronomers in this context greatly informed their understanding of the natural world. Ancient civilizations often aligned their structures and settlements with the movements of the heavens. Temples and monuments reflected celestial events, embodying a deeper comprehension of time and cycles. This region saw alignment with solstices and equinoxes, offering insights into agricultural practices and seasonal changes. The stars and planets spoke a language understood by farmers and navigators alike, providing a rhythm to life anchored in both astronomy and geography. The reliance on these disciplines led to sophisticated calendars, allowing societies to predict events such as harvests or religious rituals. In this intricate web, the shapes of the land and the courses of the stars became threads in a larger narrative of existence. The narratives woven by these observations shaped cultural identities, influencing not only the daily lives of individuals, but also the aspirations of entire civilizations. In this way, geography and astronomy formed a foundational aspect of ancient understanding. Atlas emerged as a profound symbol of endurance and knowledge, embodying both the weight of celestial mapping and the depth of human curiosity. It is said that he carried the heavens upon his shoulders, representing not only a physical burden, but also the intellectual aspirations of civilizations striving to comprehend the cosmos. The immense knowledge he possessed served as a guiding light for ancient scholars, illustrating the connection between the earthly realm and the vast, uncharted expanses above. These portrayals of Atlas resonate deeply within the annals of history, where the intersection of mythology and science provided a framework for understanding the universe. His image often graced ancient texts and monumental sculptures, manifesting the reverence societies held for the pursuit of astronomical wisdom. The enduring legacy of this figure reflects a collective yearning for enlightenment, a desire to map the stars and uncover the mysteries of the heavens. As civilizations advanced, the figure of Atlas transitioned into a metaphor for the scholarly efforts that sought to navigate both the physical and metaphysical realms. This region, rich in cultural heritage, continues to inspire contemporary exploration, where the spirit of inquiry remains vibrant. Knowledge, once borne by this titan, now propels modern astronomy, echoing the foundational contributions of those ancient times in every discovery made. Ancient civilizations laid the groundwork for the understanding of celestial bodies, fostering a profound relationship with the night sky. In this region, structures were meticulously aligned with the movements of the sun and stars, indicating a deep reverence for astronomical phenomena. These early scholars observed the cycles of the moon, tracking its phases and correlating them with agricultural practices. Such careful observation enabled societies to cultivate and sustain life, underscoring the practical applications of their celestial studies. Significant advancements emerged from the ancient Greeks, who introduced geometric models to describe the movements of planets. It was their philosophical inquiries that spurred the formulation of concepts like the heliocentric theory, which would later inspire Copernicus and other Renaissance thinkers. Meanwhile, the Babylonians recorded astronomical data on clay tablets, providing the basis for astrological practices that influenced cultures across the world. In China, celestial phenomena were meticulously documented, contributing to calendars that guided farming cycles and social events. These records, alongside detailed observations, served as a bridge to future generations, allowing the transmission of knowledge across time and space. The meticulous work of these early astronomers did not merely fill the void of the unknown, it established a legacy that continues to inform contemporary methodologies and technologies, revealing the interconnectedness of past and present in the quest to understand the cosmos. Atlas's influence on the Ptolemaic system is profound, shaping the framework that would dominate celestial understanding for centuries. His systematic observations laid the groundwork for later scholars, who sought to categorize the heavens by charting the positions of stars and planets. Atlas created a reference that would guide future astronomers in their own inquiries. For Ptolemy, inheriting this rich tradition, integrated Atlas's meticulous methodologies into his own model. This synthesis resulted in a geocentric view of the universe, where Earth was placed at the center, surrounded by concentric spheres of celestial bodies. The clarity in Atlas's observations provided a foundation upon which Ptolemy could construct his intricate tables and epicycles, allowing for predictions of celestial movements with remarkable accuracy. The acceptance of this model across various cultures resulted in a shared astronomical vocabulary. The careful documentation of Atlas's work not only influenced Ptolemy but also ensured the survival of this knowledge through the ages. The charts and tables that emerged from this collaboration became essential tools for navigators and scholars alike, extending their reach beyond mere observation into practical application. In this way, the legacy of Atlas permeated scientific thought, fostering an enduring dialogue between ancient wisdom and emerging inquiry that transcended geographic and temporal boundaries, guiding voyagers across vast and unpredictable waters. Constellations served as celestial signposts in ancient navigation. These patterns of stars, meticulously catalogued and interpreted, provided essential information about directions and distances. Navigators relied on the predictable movements of these star formations to traverse oceans, fostering a deep connection between the cosmos and the earthly journey. In this region, mariners would observe the rise and set of specific constellations, determining their latitude and orientation. The North Star, for example, became a steadfast point of reference in the Northern Hemisphere, offering reassurance and clarity in the dark expanse of night. The visibility of certain constellations, dictated by seasons, dictated the best times for voyages. Sailors learned to read the skies, interpreting the shifting patterns as navigational aids. Cultural beliefs intertwined with these practices, as constellations often held mythological significance, enhancing their importance in maritime lore. Each culture adapted its understanding of the stars to fit its unique environment and experiences, shaping a diverse array of navigational systems. The intertwined destinies of exploration and celestial observation rendered the night sky not merely a backdrop, but an integral companion. The enduring influence of these ancient practices echoes in the methods still employed by modern navigators, linking humankind's quest for understanding to the timeless mysteries of the universe. The Greek god Atlas embodies a profound connection to the cosmos, serving as the personification of celestial navigation and the weight of the heavens. This figure, often depicted bearing the globe upon his shoulders, symbolizes the burden of knowledge and the vastness of the universe. Within ancient mythology, he stands as a guardian of the eternal secrets held within the stars and planetary movements, guiding the ancients in their quest for celestial understanding. In this region, the association between Atlas and astronomy is further illuminated through the stories of ancient scholars and their observations of the night sky. These early astronomers sought to decode the patterns of celestial bodies, interpreting their movements as a reflection of divine order. The alignment of stars served not only as navigational aids, but also as markers of time, seasons, and agricultural cycles, essential for survival. The legacy of Atlas extends beyond myth, influencing the philosophical and scientific inquiries that shaped the foundations of astronomy. The principles derived from his namesake resonate through historical texts, where scholars meticulously charted the positions of celestial bodies. These studies laid the groundwork for future explorations, bridging the gap between myth and empirical observation. Thus, the enduring essence of Atlas and his celestial role encapsulates the intertwined nature of human curiosity and the vast, unfathomable cosmos. The legacy of mapping stars unfolded through meticulous documentation, with the Greek star catalogues serving as a cornerstone in the comprehension of celestial bodies. These compilations not only charted the positions of stars, but also recorded significant celestial events, providing a framework for future astronomers. The meticulous work involved in creating these catalogues laid the groundwork for subsequent generations, bridging the ancient and modern understandings of the night sky. In this region of intellectual pursuit, figures such as Hipparchus emerged, renowned for his systematic approach to star classification. An extensive catalogue attributed to him meticulously listed over 800 stars, establishing a reference point that would endure through the ages. This structured methodology marked a significant shift from mere observation to detailed analysis, allowing scholars to interpret cosmic phenomena with greater precision. The significance of these catalogues extended beyond mere star identification. They enabled the development of sophisticated techniques for navigation and timekeeping, facilitating exploration across uncharted water. This intricate knowledge fostered a deeper appreciation for the universe, transforming the stars into instruments of guidance and reflection. The careful observations of these ancient astronomers continue to resonate, echoing through centuries of astronomical study. Each entry in these catalogues serves as a testament to humanity's relentless quest to unveil the mysteries of the cosmos. The night sky held profound cultural significance in ancient societies, shaping their beliefs, rituals, and daily lives. In this region, celestial bodies were not mere points of light but deities and guides. The constellations served as navigational aids for explorers and traders, their patterns etched into the memory of generations. These formations inspired myths and stories, explaining natural phenomena and imparting moral lessons. Civilizations observed the cycles of the moon and stars, integrating them into agricultural calendars, ensuring timely planting and harvesting. The changing seasons, dictated by celestial movements, dictated the rhythm of life. Temples often aligned with these astronomical events, emphasizing the interconnectedness between the earth and the heavens. Rituals honoring celestial events, such as solstices and equinoxes, became a part of the communal experience. Observatories constructed in ancient cities echoed this reverence, providing spaces for both scientific inquiry and spiritual reflection. The night sky was a canvas upon which the identities of cultures were painted, a source of inspiration for art, literature, and philosophy. In the quiet of the night, these societies looked upward, finding solace and understanding in the vast expanse. Each star, each planet, contributed to a collective consciousness that transcended the individual, linking ancestors to descendants through a shared legacy of wonder and exploration. Myth played a crucial role in interpreting celestial phenomena, serving as a bridge between the observable universe and the human experience. In ancient societies, the night sky was not merely a collection of stars, it was a canvas upon which stories unfolded, illuminating the mysteries of existence. Constellations, formed by patterns of light, were imbued with narratives that explained seasonal changes, agricultural cycles, and even moral lessons. These stories fostered a sense of connection with the cosmos, allowing communities to find meaning in the rhythms of nature. The deities associated with celestial bodies were often seen as guardians, influencing daily life and guiding navigators across vast oceans. This region was rich with myths that transformed the abstract into the familiar, providing a framework for understanding the unpredictable elements of life. Astrological beliefs emerged, attributing significance to the positions of stars and planets at the time of one's birth. Such interpretations could dictate decisions in matters of love, war, and governance. The alignment of celestial bodies was viewed as a reflection of earthly events, creating a dialogue between the heavens and humanity. As time passed, the gradual shift towards scientific inquiry began to challenge these mythological constructs. Observations became more systematic, yet the stories remained, echoing the deep-rooted desire to comprehend the cosmos. The Titan Atlas embodies formidable strength and endurance, a figure often depicted as bearing the celestial sphere upon his shoulders. This imagery conveys an enduring burden, symbolizing the weight of knowledge and the responsibility of guiding humanity's understanding of the universe. In various artistic representations, he is shown with a muscular form, illustrating physical power that contrasts with the immensity of the heavens he supports. His connection to astronomy transcends mere physicality. It reflects an intellectual pursuit. Atlas is not only a guardian of celestial bodies, but also a bridge between the earth and the sky, symbolizing the intersection of human ambition and the infinite. This duality serves as a reminder of humanity's persistent quest for enlightenment. The sphere he carries is often interpreted as the universe itself, suggesting that beneath the vastness of the cosmos lies a complex structure waiting to be unraveled. In ancient texts, Atlas is sometimes associated with navigation and exploration, reinforcing his role as a guide through both physical and intellectual realms. Within this mythological narrative, the Titan stands not only as a figure of strength, but also as a beacon of curiosity. The ancient civilizations that revered him recognized the essential need to seek knowledge, reflecting a profound connection to the stars that continues to resonate through the ages. The pursuit of understanding the cosmos led to the evolution of celestial globes and maps, intricate tools that captured humanity's fascination with the night sky. Early civilizations crafted these instruments from materials such as wood, metal, and clay, adorning them with the constellations that guided their agricultural and navigational practices. This region, rich in historical significance, saw the emergence of diverse methods for depicting celestial bodies, each reflecting cultural interpretations of the heavens. In ancient Greece, scholars advanced these designs further, introducing the concept of a geocentric universe. Celestial globes became essential for understanding the movement of planets and stars, serving as educational tools for astronomers and philosophers. This meticulous craftsmanship not only made the heavens tangible, but also facilitated the exchange of knowledge across borders. As time progressed, innovations in geography and astronomy led to more accurate representations of celestial phenomena. The introduction of the astrolabe provided a means of measuring the altitude of celestial objects, allowing for enhanced navigation. These advancements fostered deeper connections among civilizations, uniting them through a shared quest for comprehension of the universe. With each iteration, these globes and maps conveyed not just scientific knowledge, but also the profound human experience of contemplating existence within the vastness of the cosmos. Their legacy endures, influencing contemporary understandings of astronomy and our place in the universe. The concept of the cosmic atlas emerged from a need to comprehend the vastness of the universe and humanity's role within it. Atlas, revered as a titan, represented the embodiment of this celestial mapping. His portrayal often depicted him holding the heavens upon his shoulders, a metaphor for the weight of knowledge and the burden of cosmic responsibility. This image reflects a profound understanding of the universe's structure, interrelationships, and the intricate movements of celestial bodies. In ancient times, this region was marked by observatories where scholars meticulously charted the stars and planets, creating detailed records of their movements. They employed techniques involving mathematics and geometry, which enabled them to predict celestial events with remarkable accuracy. The meticulous observations contributed to the early foundations of what would become modern astronomy. The cosmic atlas served not only as a navigational tool for seafarers, but also as a philosophical guide for scholars pondering existential questions. It highlighted humanity's quest for understanding the cosmos and our connection to it. This pursuit of knowledge transcended cultures, uniting civilizations in their fascination with the stars. Ancient texts reveal that these celestial maps were seen as reflections of divine order, encapsulating both the beauty and complexity of the universe. Atlas, as a symbol, continues to inspire awe, representing humanity's enduring desire to unlock the mysteries of existence. Art and astronomy in ancient Greece intertwined seamlessly, creating a rich dialogue between the celestial and the terrestrial. Temples adorned with intricate sculptures often faced the heavens, aligning with celestial events. This practice reflected a profound reverence for the cosmos, where the divine and the scientific coexisted harmoniously. The architecture of these sacred spaces, often designed with mathematical precision, echoed the patterns observed in the night sky. Astronomers, like Atlas, contributed to this artistic landscape by charting celestial bodies, their movements informing calendars and agricultural practices. The constellations, depicted in art and literature, became symbols of myths, intertwining stories with the stars that adorned the heavens. This cultural context fostered a sense of connection between human experience and the vast universe, allowing individuals to interpret their lives through the lens of celestial phenomena. Sculptors employed the principles of astronomy in their works, creating pieces that reflected the geometry and proportions derived from celestial observations. The application of mathematics in both art and astronomy reinforced the importance of harmony and balance, which were essential ideals in Greek philosophy. This fusion of disciplines resulted in a legacy that continues to resonate, where the pursuit of knowledge in astronomy inspired artistic expression, a testament to the intricate relationship between these ancient intellectual pursuits. Ancient tools for astronomical observation reveal the ingenuity of civilizations striving to understand the cosmos. Instruments crafted from simple materials, such as wood and stone, were often imbued with profound significance. The gnomon, a rudimentary yet effective device, served to measure the passage of time through the sun's shadow, marking the changing seasons with remarkable precision. In this region, early civilizations constructed large stone circles, aligning them meticulously with celestial events. These structures functioned as observatories, enabling the tracking of solstices and equinoxes. Such alignments reflect a deep connection between terrestrial and celestial rhythms, guiding agricultural practices and cultural rituals. The astrolabe emerged as a pivotal tool, allowing astronomers to calculate the positions of stars and planets with increasing accuracy. Its design exemplified the intersection of art and science, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal. This instrument, often adorned with intricate engravings, facilitated navigation across vast seas and deserts, expanding trade routes and cultural exchanges. Tales of celestial wanderers were inscribed on clay tablets, detailing observations of planetary motion. These records provided a foundation for future generations, influencing both scientific inquiry and philosophical thought. The meticulous documentation of the heavens underscores an enduring legacy, where curiosity and exploration transcended time, laying the groundwork for modern astronomy. The practices of Egyptian astronomy profoundly impacted Greek methodologies, weaving a rich interplay of knowledge and tradition. Ancient Egypt, with its monumental observatories and systematic approaches, cultivated a deep understanding of celestial movements. This foundational expertise was instrumental in shaping early Greek astronomical thought. Observations of the stars and planets, recorded meticulously by Egyptian priests, formed a cornerstone for the Greeks. They adopted the use of 12 distinct divisions of the night sky, inspired by Egyptian decans. These divisions allowed for the tracking of time and the calendar, reflecting the harmony between celestial phenomena and the terrestrial realm. This region's pyramids, aligned with extraordinary precision to cardinal points, further exemplified their astronomical prowess. Greek scholars, such as Ptolemy, built upon this extensive knowledge. They incorporated Egyptian techniques into their own studies, leading to advancements in star mapping and planetary motion. The Greeks' philosophical inquiries into the nature of the universe were enriched by the empirical data they inherited. The blending of these two cultures fostered a greater understanding of the cosmos, transcending geographical boundaries. This synergy laid the groundwork for future explorations, illuminating the night sky for generations. Such influences are evident in the way both civilizations approached the mysteries above, seeking to decode the language of the heavens. The impact of Atlas extended beyond ancient boundaries, reaching the Renaissance period where exploration flourished. Inspired by earlier celestial mappings, cartographers began to adopt more precise methods of observation and representation. This era, marked by a resurgence of classical knowledge, found in Atlas a figure emblematic of intellectual curiosity. His methods of organizing the heavens provided a foundation, prompting scholars to blend ancient wisdom with contemporary discovery. This region saw an evolution in map-making techniques, as celestial charts became increasingly detailed. The use of mathematical principles, alongside artistic representation, led to a more accurate portrayal of the night sky. These advancements in cartography allowed navigators to journey further than ever before, charting new territories across uncharted waters. The Renaissance cartographers drew upon Atlas's legacy, infusing their work with a sense of purpose and exploration. These maps did not merely serve practical purposes, they reflected a deeper understanding of humanity's place in the cosmos. The incorporation of Atlas's celestial themes into terrestrial mapping created a harmonious connection between the heavens and the earth. It became evident that the quest for knowledge was intertwined with the desire for discovery. The influence of this ancient titan was woven into the fabric of Renaissance thought, guiding the hand of those who sought to map both the stars and the world beneath them. The intricate relationship between astronomy and astrology during ancient times reveals a profound interconnectedness in human understanding of the cosmos. This region, teeming with celestial observation, saw early scholars merging their knowledge of astronomical phenomena with the mystique of astrological interpretation. They believed the movements of heavenly bodies could influence earthly events, shaping destinies and guiding actions. Astrological charts, meticulously crafted, served as tools for predicting events and advising rulers. It was within these celestial frameworks that figures like Atlas found their significance. This intertwining of disciplines fostered a worldview where the cosmos was not merely a backdrop, but an active participant in the lives of mortals. The cycles of the moon, the positions of planets, and the constellations became harbingers of fortune and misfortune, infusing daily existence with a sense of divine orchestration. In various cultures, these practices evolved, reflecting the societies that nurtured them. The notion that the macrocosm mirrored the microcosm shaped philosophies and spiritual beliefs. Observatories rose in prominence, employing advanced instruments to chart the heavens with unparalleled precision. These pursuits were not isolated but resonated across civilizations, fostering a shared quest for knowledge that transcended geographical boundaries. Central to the dialogues of ancient Greek philosophy, Atlas emerged as a figure symbolizing the pursuit of wisdom and understanding, serving as a bridge between myth and reason. His association with celestial navigation and cartography underscored a deeper philosophical inquiry into the nature of existence. The very act of mapping the heavens was not merely a technical endeavor. It represented humanity's desire to comprehend the cosmos and its place within it. Philosophers found in Atlas a metaphor for the burden of knowledge. This burden was both a privilege and a responsibility, compelling thinkers to reflect on the nature of reality itself. The heavens, once thought to be the realm of the divine, became a subject of rational inquiry, prompting discussions about the origins of the universe, the movements of celestial bodies, and the fundamental laws governing existence. In Agora, intellectuals gathered to dissect these ideas. Influenced by Atlas's legacy, his image served as a reminder that the quest for knowledge was an essential aspect of the human experience. Through the lens of philosophy, the act of observing the stars transformed from mere observation into a profound exploration of truth and meaning. This connection to Atlas enriched philosophical thought, guiding early astronomers towards a deeper understanding of the cosmos. Among these figures, Hipparchus emerged in the 2nd century BCE, known for his meticulous observations and systematic approach to star mapping. His work marked a significant milestone, introducing a grid system that allowed for greater accuracy in celestial navigation. By cataloging over 800 stars, Hipparchus laid the groundwork for future astronomers to build upon. The influence of his methodologies extended to subsequent generations, notably reaching the esteemed Ptolemy in the 2nd century CE. Ptolemy synthesized earlier astronomical knowledge, culminating in the creation of the Almagest, a comprehensive treatise that organized and refined the star maps of his predecessors. This extensive work not only preserved the knowledge of Hipparchus, but also introduced the concept of epicycles, an innovative explanation for the complex movements of celestial bodies. These contributions fostered a paradigm that dominated astronomical thought for over a millennium. The star maps created during this period became essential tools for navigation and timekeeping, guiding explorers and scholars alike through the uncharted expanses of the world. The precision of these early cartographers continues to echo through the corridors of history, shaping humanity's understanding of its place within the vast universe. The development of the zodiac marked a significant moment in the understanding of celestial patterns. This intricate system, composed of 12 distinct signs, emerged as a means to categorize and interpret the movements of celestial bodies. Each sign corresponds to specific constellations, providing a framework that allowed ancient civilizations to track time and seasons with remarkable precision. Atlas, often associated with the careful mapping of the heavens, played a pivotal role in this evolution. His contributions extended beyond mere geographical knowledge. They encompassed the celestial sphere itself by charting the positions of stars and their relationships within constellations. He provided a foundation for the zodiac. The alignment of these signs with agricultural cycles underscored their practical utility, guiding farmers in planting and harvesting. This connection between Atlas and the zodiac highlights a culture deeply attuned to the rhythms of the cosmos. The ancients believed that the positions of the stars influenced earthly events, further intertwining astrology with their daily lives. As these beliefs permeated various societies, the zodiac became a tool not just for navigation but also for personal introspection. In this manner, the legacy of Atlas persisted, influencing not only astronomy but also the philosophical explorations surrounding the human experience in relation to the universe. The echoes of this ancient knowledge still resonate today, shaping contemporary perspectives on celestial phenomena. This reverberation is particularly evident in Roman literature and culture, where Atlas emerged as a figure of immense significance. In various texts, he symbolizes both burden and wisdom, a duality that reflects the complexities of human understanding in the face of the cosmos. His portrayal often intertwines with the themes of endurance and sacrifice, portraying him as a titan who carries the heavens upon his shoulders, embodying the weight of celestial knowledge. These literary representations contributed to a broader cultural narrative that sought to explain the universe's vastness and humanity's place within it. Poets and philosophers frequently invoked Atlas to articulate the struggle between mortal limitations and the infinite. This connection deepened during the height of Roman civilization, where the pursuit of knowledge flourished alongside artistic expression. In some works, he is depicted not merely as a burdened figure, but as a guiding presence, illuminating the path for both scholars and explorers. The imagery surrounding Atlas served to inspire a sense of wonder, encouraging a deeper engagement with astronomy and philosophy. This reverence for the Titan's legacy can still be sensed in modern literature and the arts, where the quest to understand the stars continues to challenge and captivate the human spirit, bridging the past with the present. Medieval astronomy drew heavily from the foundations laid by ancient scholars, with Atlas's influence permeating the texts and teachings of this era. The celestial maps produced were often embellished with elaborate illustrations, reflecting a blend of scientific inquiry and artistic interpretation. Scholars in monasteries and universities meticulously transcribed the works of earlier astronomers, ensuring that the knowledge of the cosmos was preserved and expanded upon. Celestial bodies were charted with remarkable precision, guided by the principles that Atlas had instilled in his followers. The use of astrolabes and armillary spheres allowed for the practical application of this knowledge, facilitating navigation and timekeeping. The alignment of these instruments with the stars was not merely a technical endeavor. It was an extension of a deep-seated curiosity about the universe. Einpreise. Interpretations of Atlas's work often intertwined with philosophical and theological discussions. As the heavens were viewed as a reflection of the divine, this alignment of astronomy and spirituality created a rich dialogue, impacting various fields such as navigation, agriculture, and even architecture. The commitment to understanding the cosmos was unwavering, as each generation sought to build upon the celestial legacies of those who came before. Atlas's presence loomed large over this pursuit, a silent guide in the quest to decode the mysteries of the night sky. The Renaissance marked a significant turning point in the appreciation for ancient knowledge. Scholars and artists began to revisit the works of early astronomers, unearthing texts that had long been buried beneath the sands of time. Among these, Atlas's contributions were rediscovered, his maps of the heavens serving as a beacon of intellectual curiosity. This period saw the translation of numerous ancient manuscripts, allowing ideas to flow freely between cultures and eras. In this climate of exploration, the meticulous observations attributed to Atlas provided a foundation upon which the emerging scientific methods could build. The celestial spheres he once charted inspired a new generation of thinkers to look beyond the terrestrial confines of their world. They sought to understand the cosmos not merely as a backdrop, but as a dynamic realm governed by principles that could be calculated and predicted. The revival of interest in these ancient texts prompted institutions to emerge, dedicated to the study of astronomy. Scholars gathered, sharing insights and debating theories, often referencing the foundational work of Atlas. This intellectual fervor extended beyond the scientific community, influencing art, philosophy, and literature. The once forgotten maps re-emerged, adorned with new annotations reflecting a blend of ancient wisdom and Renaissance innovations, enriching the tapestry of human understanding of the universe. This revival of knowledge significantly influenced early scientific thought. The meticulous detail present in Atlas's maps encouraged scholars to re-evaluate the heavens, prompting a shift from mythological interpretations to empirical observations. These celestial depictions transformed the way astronomers approached their studies, fostering a desire to understand the cosmos through observation and measurement rather than dogma. Innovative ideas circulated among thinkers, who began to advocate for a heliocentric view of the solar system. The mapping techniques developed during this period laid the groundwork for future astronomers who would build upon Atlas's insights to refine their own models of celestial motion. This shift marked the beginning of a profound transformation in the understanding of planetary orbits and gravitational interactions. The meticulous observations made by Atlas and contemporaneous scholars became foundational for the scientific method, encouraging a reliance on evidence and reproducibility. The age-old reliance on astrology began to wane as empirical science took precedence, fostering a culture of inquiry that sought to uncover the mysteries of the universe. As knowledge proliferated, the influence of Atlas transcended borders, reaching scholars in distant lands and inspiring a generation of thinkers. This burgeoning curiosity about the cosmos not only altered the course of astronomy but also contributed to the broader evolution of human thought during the Renaissance. The figure of Atlas has consistently resonated within popular culture, embodying the weight of knowledge and explorations. During the Renaissance, artists and scholars began to depict him not just as a mythological giant, but as a symbol of enlightenment. These representations often illustrate a strong connection between humanity and the celestial, reflecting a period where the quest for understanding the universe became paramount. In literature, Atlas has been invoked as a metaphor for those who bear the burdens of wisdom and responsibility. His image appears in various texts, where the act of carrying the heavens signifies the profound struggle between knowledge and ignorance. The portrayal is not limited to literature. It extends into visual arts, where numerous paintings capture the essence of this titan, often set against a backdrop of stars and planets. The Industrial Revolution saw a resurgence of interest in Atlas, aligning him with the spirit of discovery and innovation that characterized the era. Modernity continued this trend, with Atlas symbolizing the relentless human quest for understanding not only the physical world, but also the metaphysical realms. In contemporary society, the figure endures within various mediums, from films to digital art, where he remains a potent symbol of the enduring human spirit, grappling with the cosmos and the inexorable pursuit of knowledge. Astronomical concepts derived from his legacy continue to shape modern understandings of the universe. His insights into celestial navigation provided early mariners with essential tools, allowing them to traverse vast oceans with newfound confidence. The systematic approach to mapping the stars laid the groundwork for future astronomers to explore and categorize the heavens, fostering an appreciation for the intricate relationships between celestial bodies. This region of knowledge, once limited to myth and speculations, evolved into a structured framework, influencing the development of instruments such as the astrolabe and the sextant. These devices enabled explorers to pinpoint their locations with remarkable precision, expanding the horizons of human experience. The legacy extends beyond navigation. Concepts such as axial tilt, celestial spheres, and the movement of planets derive from this foundational work. In academic circles, his influence persists through the continued study of planetary motion and the formulation of laws governing celestial mechanics. The meticulous observations recorded centuries ago resonate in contemporary astrophysics, where the pursuit of understanding the cosmos remains relentless. This enduring fascination with the night sky hints at humanity's deep-seated curiosity and desire to comprehend its place in the universe. Such inquiries echo through time, inviting new generations to engage with the celestial realm that once captivated the minds of ancient scholars. The contributions of Atlas extended far beyond mere celestial mapping. His influence on cartography reshaped the understanding of geography, allowing for the creation of detailed and accurate representations of the world. Each chart he devised served as a bridge between the cosmos and the terrestrial, facilitating navigation and exploration. These maps often included not only geographical features but also the cultural and political landscapes of various regions, reflecting the interconnectedness of humanity and the environment. In this context, the significance of Atlas lies in his ability to synthesize knowledge from various disciplines, emerged astronomical observations with terrestrial data, providing sailors and travelers with tools that enhanced their voyages across uncharted waters. The precision of his work laid the groundwork for future explorers, enabling them to traverse vast distances with a greater sense of confidence and orientation. The lingering legacy of Atlas can be seen in the evolution of map-making techniques. His methodologies inspired generations of cartographers, leading to the refinement of instruments and the introduction of new materials. The merging of visual artistry and scientific inquiry in his maps created a standard that influenced both the aesthetic and functional aspects of cartography for centuries to come. This intricate relationship between the heavens and the earth continues to resonate, shaping our understanding of space and place within the broader narrative of human history. The representation of the heavens in art reflects the profound influence of celestial observations on human creativity. Artists, inspired by the works of astronomers like Atlas, sought to encapsulate the vastness of the cosmos within their creations. These depictions often merge mythological themes with scientific inquiry, showcasing constellations alongside ancient deities. In many cultures, celestial bodies served not only as navigational aids, but also as symbols of immortality and divine influence. Artists rendered the night sky with meticulous detail, illustrating the intricate patterns of stars that guided countless generations. The imagery often evokes a sense of wonder, drawing attention to the interplay between the earthly realm and the celestial sphere. These interpretations offered a canvas for exploration and contemplation, inviting viewers to connect with the universe on a deeper level. The art of various civilizations reveals a common thread: the desire to understand one's place in the cosmos. Notable works include vast murals and delicate manuscripts, each illustrating the time-honored quest for knowledge. This relationship between art and astronomy emphasizes not only the scientific endeavors of figures like Atlas, but also the cultural narratives that arise from humanity's fascination with the heavens. The echoes of this pursuit continue to inspire artists and thinkers alike, bridging the gap between observation and imagination. Cosmology in ancient times was profoundly influenced by figures like Atlas, whose contributions extended far beyond mere mapping of the heavens. This titan was depicted as bearing the weight of the celestial sphere, a symbol of both knowledge and responsibility. He served as a connection between the earthly realm and the cosmos, allowing early civilizations to understand their place within a vast universe. In this region, the stars were not merely points of light. They represented gods, seasons, and significant celestial events. Observational practices were meticulously recorded, creating a framework for the calendar and agricultural cycles. The careful alignment of structures with celestial bodies demonstrated a deep reverence for the cosmos. These alignments often dictated the timing of rituals and festivals, weaving the celestial into the fabric of daily life. The influence of Atlas extended into philosophical realms as well. His role inspired dialogues about existence, the nature of knowledge, and the relationship between humanity and the cosmos. Scholars and astronomers sought to emulate his dedication, striving to decode the mysteries of the night sky. The very act of gazing upwards became a meditation on the infinite, prompting reflections on the nature of the universe itself. Thus, the legacy of this titan transcended mere astronomy, embedding itself into the collective consciousness of ancient civilizations. The relationship between Atlas and timekeeping reveals a profound understanding of celestial cycles. His meticulous observations of the stars and their movements were not solely for the purpose of navigation, but also for regulating daily life. This knowledge enabled ancient societies to construct calendars, allowing them to plan agricultural activities in harmony with the changing seasons. The meticulous records attributed to him contained insights into solstices and equinoxes, marking significant transitions in the solar year. These calculations were essential for various cultural rituals, intertwining astronomy with the fabric of daily existence. Communities relied on the precise timing of events, from planting crops to conducting festivals. The alignment of celestial bodies with terrestrial activities fostered a sense of unity and predictability amid the uncertainties of nature. In this context, the legacy of Atlas extended into the realm of timekeeping, influencing not just the measurement of days but also the broader understanding of time itself. The influence of his astronomical insights can be seen in the creation of sundials and other early timekeeping devices, which mirrored the movements of celestial bodies. These advancements laid the groundwork for future scholars and astronomers who built upon the foundations laid by this titan. The quiet whispers of his contributions can still be felt in the frameworks of modern timekeeping, where the rhythms of the cosmos continue to guide human endeavors. The legacy of Atlas extends far beyond mere timekeeping. His meticulous observations laid the groundwork for the precision in celestial navigation, enabling explorers to chart the vast oceans with greater accuracy. This connection between the stars and terrestrial navigation transformed the understanding of geography, intertwining human existence with the movements of celestial bodies. These advancements allowed for a deeper comprehension of the Earth's position in relation to the cosmos, fostering a sense of unity between the terrestrial and the celestial. The mapping techniques developed from his observations influenced subsequent generations of cartographers, who began to replicate these celestial patterns in their own geographical charts. In many ways of Gomstuarts, the 1D Smeta, the celestial globe has become a symbol of exploration and discovery, a reflection of humanity's quest to understand its place within the universe. The coordinates established by ancient astronomers inform the modern grid systems that define global positioning today. Such influence permeates through various disciplines, merging astronomy with geography, physics, and even philosophy. Institutions dedicated to the study of the heavens often trace their intellectual lineage back to figures like Atlas, who sought to decode the language of the stars. In this way, his contributions remain etched into the fabric of scientific inquiry, resonating through the ages as a profound reminder of humanity's enduring relationship with the universe. Atlas embodies the pursuit of knowledge that transcends geographical boundaries. His legacy serves as a metaphor for humanity's collective quest to understand the cosmos. This figure symbolizes not only the role of individual scholars but also the interconnectedness of various civilizations, each contributing to a greater pool of wisdom. In ancient times, observations of celestial bodies were documented across cultures, leading to a rich tapestry of insights that laid the groundwork for future exploration. These ideas flourished in regions where scholars gathered, sharing their findings amidst vibrant discussions. Such gatherings fostered an environment where curiosity thrived. The exchange of knowledge amongst diverse cultures resulted in advancements that are still recognized today. The influence of Atlas is palpable in the works of later astronomers and scientists, who built upon the foundations he helped establish. His representation as a titan holding up the heavens transcends mere mythology. It reflects the burden of knowledge that humanity bears, a continuous effort to grasp the complexities of existence. This collective endeavor has shaped philosophies and sciences alike, guiding societies in their understanding of the natural world. The legacy of Atlas serves not only as an inspiration but also as a reminder of the importance of collaboration in the pursuit of truth, echoing through the corridors of history. Atlas's contributions extended beyond mere celestial observations, weaving into the very fabric of navigation technologies. His meticulous documentation of the stars provided early navigators with essential tools for their voyages. These celestial charts allowed mariners to traverse vast oceans, guiding them through unknown waters with remarkable precision. The rising and setting of celestial bodies served as both compass and clock, illuminating the paths taken by sailors of ancient civilizations. These advancements in navigation were not limited to the oceans. Land-based travelers, too, benefited from the insights gleaned from Atlas's work, The alignment of certain landmarks with constellations informed the construction of roads and pathways, creating a network of travel that connected distant settlements. This integration of astronomy and geography fostered a deeper understanding of the world, allowing societies to expand their horizons. In time, the principles established by Atlas influenced the development of sophisticated instruments. The astrolabe, for example, emerged as a critical tool for both astronomers and navigators. Built upon the foundational knowledge that Atlas had painstakingly compiled, such innovations transformed the way individuals engaged with their environments, facilitating exploration and commerce. As these technologies evolved, the influence of Atlas remained palpable, a silent guardian of the navigational arts. Each journey undertaken in the name of exploration carried with it the weight of his legacy, charting the course for future generations. The connection between astronomy and agriculture in ancient civilizations proved essential for survival and prosperity. Celestial bodies provided a natural calendar, guiding the timing of planting and harvesting. This region, characterized by its fertile landscapes, relied heavily on the movements of the sun, moon, and stars to determine seasonal changes. Farmers observed the heliacal rising of specific stars, marking significant agricultural events. The cycles of the moon played a crucial role, influencing the growth cycles of crops. It dictated when soil should be tilled and seeds sown, as well as when to reap the harvest. These practices, rooted in centuries of observation, underscored the reliance on celestial phenomena for agricultural success. Ancient texts often recorded these observations, illustrating a sophisticated understanding of the night sky. In some societies, the alignment of structures with celestial events further demonstrated the integration of astronomy into daily life. Temples and monuments corresponded with solstices and equinoxes, serving as both agricultural calendars and spiritual centers. This careful synchronization of earthly practices with celestial rhythms fostered a profound respect for nature and its cycles. As time progressed, this knowledge catalyzed advancements in agricultural techniques, allowing communities to thrive. The legacy of these practices echoes through the ages, reminding us of the profound relationship between humanity and the cosmos. This relationship fostered a rich cultural exchange among ancient civilizations. Knowledge flowed across borders, transcending geography and language. Scholars from diverse regions gathered to share insights, translating texts and refining observations. The pursuit of understanding the stars was not confined to one society. It became a collective endeavor that spanned continents. In this setting, celestial phenomena served as a common language. The careful observations of celestial bodies by early astronomers informed agricultural practices, navigation, and timekeeping. This region, where the sun met the horizon, witnessed communal gatherings to discuss the constellations and local traditions often intertwined with celestial events. These gatherings facilitated the sharing of methods, from the Babylonian techniques of recording planetary positions to the Greek advancements in geometry. The diffusion of astronomical knowledge was often facilitated by trade routes, which became conduits for ideas. Merchants and travelers carried not only goods but also the wisdom of the skies. They exchanged star charts and calendars, embedding astronomical insights into the cultural fabric of societies. In this way, the once localized understanding of the cosmos expanded, leading to shared innovations in tools such as the astrolabe. Such exchanges among the Titans fostered an environment of collaboration, where each figure contributed unique insights to the greater understanding of their world. Atlas, renowned for his celestial cartography, stood apart yet among his peers, each titan embodying distinct aspects of knowledge and power. They formed a network of wisdom that connected philosophy, geography, and mathematics, enriching the cultural landscape of their time. In this realm, Prometheus represented the spirit of innovation, igniting the flame of creativity that complemented Atlas's meticulous observations of the stars. While Atlas charted the heavens, Prometheus inspired humanity's quest for knowledge, encouraging others to pursue understanding beyond the confines of their immediate environments. This synergy propelled advancements in navigation, agriculture, and timekeeping, as the celestial bodies guided countless endeavors. Meanwhile, other titans, such as Helios and Selene, personified the sun and moon, illuminating the pathways of life and marking the passage of time. This harmonious interaction among the titans illustrated a cosmic order, with Atlas acting as the bridge between the ethereal and the terrestrial. The legacy of their collective wisdom reverberated through generations, influencing scholars and navigators alike. This enduring impact can still be traced in the foundational principles of astronomy, showcasing the profound interconnectedness of these ancient figures and their contributions to the unfolding story of civilization. The psychological impact of celestial mapping on ancient societies was profound and multifaceted. It instilled a sense of order and predictability amid the chaos of existence. By observing celestial bodies, communities developed a shared understanding of time and seasons, guiding agricultural practices and ceremonial calendars. This newfound rhythm fostered a deeper connection to the world around them, as people could anticipate the cycles of nature with greater accuracy. These observations often transcended mere practical applications, intertwining with spiritual beliefs. The alignment of stars and planets was frequently interpreted as divine communication, influencing cultural narratives and religious practices. This region, steeped in celestial lore, became a canvas upon which societies projected their aspirations and fears, seeking meaning in the vastness above. The act of mapping the heavens also ignited a collective curiosity, encouraging exploration and intellectual discourse. The enthusiasm for celestial phenomena permeated daily life, shaping art, literature, and mythology. It served as a catalyst for innovation, leading to advancements in navigation and geometry. Societies began to see themselves not as isolated entities, but as part of a larger cosmic order, fostering unity and collaboration. In this way, the mapping of the skies not only transformed practical life, but also enriched the cultural and emotional landscapes of ancient civilizations, leaving an indelible mark on human history. Myths served as the foundation upon which the early scientific thought was constructed, acting as vessels for the comprehension of celestial phenomena. Through storytelling, these civilizations sought to explain the unexplainable, attributing the movements of celestial bodies to the actions of deities or legendary figures. Such narratives provided a framework to interpret natural events, anchoring complex ideas in relatable experiences. The celestial bodies, revered as gods, were woven into the cultural fabric, guiding agricultural practices, navigation, and seasonal festivals. This anthropomorphism not only made the cosmos more accessible but also encouraged observation and inquiry. By personifying stars and planets, the abstract became tangible, inspiring individuals to seek knowledge beyond mere superstition. The evolution of these myths often mirrored advancements in understanding. As astronomical observations became more precise, the stories transformed, shifting from divine intervention to natural laws. This transition marked a pivotal moment where myth began to coexist with emerging scientific principles. The cycle of observation, interpretation and reinterpretation fueled the desire for knowledge, slowly paving the way for systematic inquiry. In regions where these celestial narratives flourished, a spirit of collaboration emerged. Scholars and sages shared insights, culminating in collective wisdom that transcended generations, reinforcing the notion that humanity's quest for understanding the cosmos was a shared endeavor. The contributions of Atlas resonated deeply within the realm of Islamic astronomy. His meticulous observations and mappings inspired scholars across the Islamic Golden Age, fostering an environment in which celestial knowledge flourished. This region became a crucible of learning, where texts were translated and expanded upon, bridging ancient wisdom with contemporary thought. Astrolabes, inspired by Atlas's principles, emerged as essential instruments for navigation and timekeeping. These tools allowed practitioners to track celestial bodies with remarkable precision, revealing the movements of stars and planets. The influence of Atlas extended beyond mere observation. It intertwined with the philosophical inquiries of the time, prompting questions about the nature of the universe and humanity's place within it. In the grand libraries of Baghdad and Cairo, works reflecting his methodologies were studied, leading to advancements in mathematics and astronomy. The concept of celestial spheres, once pioneered by Atlas, gained renewed attention, reshaping the understanding of planetary motion. Scholars such as Al-Farqani and Al-Battani built upon this foundation, developing models that would later guide navigators during the age of exploration. The quiet, methodical pursuit of knowledge characterized this period, highlighting how Atlas's legacy continued to illuminate the path of discovery, inspiring generations to look upward and seek answers among the stars. Celestial navigation emerged as a crucial skill for maritime cultures, allowing them to traverse vast oceans with confidence. By observing the positions of celestial bodies, navigators could determine their latitude and, with the aid of constellations, approximate their longitude. This practice transformed the way civilizations interacted with their environments, enabling exploration and trade across previously uncharted waters. And in regions such as the Mediterranean and the Indian Ocean, sailors relied heavily on the predictable movements of stars and planets. It was not merely a matter of survival. This knowledge fostered a deep connection between communities and the cosmos. Mariners would gather at twilight, sharing insights and techniques, ensuring that the wisdom of the stars was passed down through generations. This communal exchange fortified maritime identities, blending practical skills with cultural narratives. These navigational techniques were not uniform. They varied based on local celestial phenomena. Cultures adapted their practices to accommodate seasonal changes and geographic peculiarities. The significance of the North Star, for instance, held particular importance in the Northern Hemisphere, guiding explorers toward their destinations with unwavering reliability. The influence of celestial navigation extended beyond the confines of the sea, reaching into the realms of art, philosophy, and science. This profound relationship with the heavens offered a framework through which civilizations could understand their place in the world, illustrating the enduring legacy of astronomical knowledge. The symbolism of Atlas evolved significantly within later mythological traditions, transcending his original role as a mere astronomer. Depicted as a figure of immense strength, he became emblematic of burden and endurance, often represented as a titan bearing the celestial spheres. This enduring image signified not only physical strength, but also the weight of knowledge and responsibility. These interpretations varied across cultures, further enriching the narrative surrounding him. In some traditions, Atlas embodies the struggle inherent in human existence. His steadfastness while holding the heavens aloft serves as a reminder of the trials that individuals might face. This duality of strength and vulnerability resonates deeply, creating a complex character that encompasses both heroism and suffering. Such representations can be found in various art forms, where sculptors and painters have sought to capture his monumental presence. The shifting interpretations reflect broader themes within mythology, where gods and titans serve as mirrors to human experience. Atlas's enduring legacy highlights the importance of celestial navigation and the quest for knowledge, bridging the earthly realm with the cosmos. This dynamic interplay ensures that he remains a potent symbol throughout history, representing the relentless pursuit of understanding and the burdens carried by those who seek enlightenment amid the vast unknown. The evolution of the Atlas figure in literature reflects a deepening comprehension of the cosmos and humanity's place within it. Initially depicted as a simple titan bearing the weight of the heavens, the character gradually transformed, serving as a metaphor for the intellectual struggle against ignorance. Early texts portrayed him as a passive figure, silently enduring the consequences of a divine punishment. Over time, this portrayal shifted, allowing for a more active engagement with celestial mysteries. Literary works from ancient Greece to the Renaissance increasingly emphasized the complexity of knowledge. In these narratives, Atlas became a symbol of the scholar's journey, intertwining themes of exploration, curiosity, and sacrifice. Poets and philosophers drew inspiration from his burden, framing it as a reflection of the human condition, an embodiment of striving for wisdom against overwhelming odds. The Enlightenment ushered in a new wave of interpretations, positioning the Atlas figure as an emblem of scientific inquiry. Texts from this period celebrated the mapping of the stars and the quest to decode the universe's patterns. These narratives often highlighted the interplay between myth and empirical observation, illustrating the gradual emergence of a more profound understanding of the cosmos. As literature continued to evolve, the Atlas figure persisted, taking on new forms while retaining its essence as a representation of the eternal quest for knowledge. The enduring influence of the Atlas figure manifests in contemporary astronomy through various namesakes and references. Many celestial bodies bear the name of this titan, symbolizing the profound connection between ancient mythology and modern scientific exploration. The most notable example is Atlas, one of Saturn's moons, discovered in 1980, which holds a unique position in the solar system due to its distinct shape and proximity to its parent planet. This moon orbits within Saturn's rings, exemplifying the intricate interplay of gravitational forces. In addition to celestial bodies, the term Atlas appears in numerous astronomical texts and frameworks. Astronomical charts and catalogues frequently employ the term to denote collections of stars, galaxies, and other celestial entities. For instance, the Atlas of the Heavens is a significant reference work, meticulously detailing the positions and characteristics of various astronomical objects. Educational institutions and observatories often invoke the name, reflecting a rich legacy that bridges classical mythology with contemporary scientific inquiry. These references serve not only as homage to a figure rooted in ancient traditions, but also as a reminder of humanity's relentless pursuit of understanding the cosmos. The integration of Atlas into modern astronomy signifies the continuity of knowledge, echoing the Titan's original role as a steadfast guardian of celestial maps. The relationship between Atlas and the Ophiuchus constellation reveals a deeper connection between mythology and the celestial sphere. Ophiuchus, often referred to as the serpent bearer, occupies a unique position in the sky, straddling the celestial equator. This region, rich in stars and mythological significance, reflects the duality of knowledge and power, themes central to Atlas's identity. In ancient narratives, Atlas is depicted as holding the heavens aloft, a task symbolically linked to the position of Ophiuchus. This constellation, with its serpentine form, depicts a figure grasping a serpent, suggesting themes of balance in the cosmos. The alignment of Ophiuchus within the ecliptic underscores its importance, as it bridges the gap between the traditional zodiac and the broader expanse of the celestial dome. Astrological interpretations often associate Ophiuchus with healing and transformation, reflecting Atlas's role as a custodian of wisdom. The constellation's placement invites contemplation on the cyclical nature of knowledge, where the past and present converge. This region of the sky thus serves as a reminder of the intricate relationships between celestial bodies and the stories they inspire. The enduring legacy of Atlas in relation to Ophiuchus emphasizes the continuous quest for understanding the universe, a pursuit that transcends time and culture. The accuracy of ancient star maps reflects the careful observations and meticulous recordings made by early astronomers. These celestial charts, crafted with limited technology, reveal a profound understanding of the night sky. Each constellation, carefully delineated, holds significance beyond mere shapes. They encapsulate the knowledge and beliefs of the civilizations that produced them. In many instances, these maps served as navigational aids, guiding seafarers across vast oceans. The constellations provided reference points, ensuring safe passage through treacherous waters. The alignment of stars with terrestrial landmarks further solidified their practical applications. The ancient Egyptians, for example, aligned their pyramids with specific stars, integrating celestial phenomena into their architectural endeavors. This connection between the heavens and human endeavors showcases a harmonious relationship with the cosmos, illustrating a worldview steeped in celestial significance. Similarly, cultures such as the Mesopotamians and the Greeks developed intricate systems of astrology, merging the observation of stars with personal fate. This blend of scientific inquiry and spiritual belief highlights the diverse interpretations of celestial phenomena across various societies. Today, the remnants of these ancient star maps serve as valuable records, allowing modern astronomers to trace the evolution of celestial knowledge. They stand as testaments to humanity's enduring fascination with the universe and the quest for meaning within its vast expanse. The integration of astronomy into ancient education systems laid the groundwork for understanding celestial phenomena in various civilizations. Knowledge was not merely a collection of facts, but a means of connecting various disciplines, allowing students to explore the heavens alongside mathematics and philosophy. Observatories, often intricately designed, served as both schools and laboratories where scholars gathered to observe the movements of celestial bodies. In this context, the sun, moon, and stars were not just objects of study. They held significant cultural and religious importance. Their cycles dictated agricultural practices, informed navigation, and influenced calendars. Educational institutions, therefore, included rigorous training in observing and interpreting these celestial events. Courses involved meticulous record-keeping, where students documented the positions of stars and planets over time, facilitating predictions of future occurrences. This practice advanced understanding of concepts like time and seasons. In certain societies, astronomy was intertwined with mythology, enriching the learning experience. The stories surrounding constellations provided context, making the vastness of the cosmos more relatable. The legacy of this ancient scholarship continues to inform modern astronomy, maintaining a thread that connects humanity's earliest inquiries with contemporary scientific exploration. The pursuit of knowledge within these ancient systems demonstrates the intrinsic desire to comprehend the universe and its mysteries. Atlas's contributions extend beyond the celestial realm, illuminating the contours of Earth's geography. His meticulous observations of terrestrial landscapes provided a foundational understanding of geographical features, enabling subsequent generations to comprehend the world in new dimensions. Each map he crafted was a reflection of rigorous exploration and meticulous detail, capturing the essence of diverse terrains from towering mountains to expansive plains. In this region, the generation of maps served a dual purpose. These artifacts were not merely representations. They were tools for navigation, trade, and cultural exchange. Knowledge of distances and landmarks fostered connections between disparate communities, facilitating the movement of goods and ideas. The geographical insights gained through Atlas's work laid the groundwork for future explorers who would venture into unknown territories, driven by the desire to chart the uncharted. The legacy of these mappings is evident in the way modern societies engage with geography. Contemporary cartography owes much to the foundational principles established during this era, emphasizing accuracy and detail. The names of places, derived from ancient sources, echo the significance of those early endeavors, preserving the history of human interaction with the landscape. This ongoing dialogue between ancient knowledge and modern understanding underscores the enduring impact of Atlas's work in shaping humanity's perception of its environment. The quest for knowledge remains a timeless pursuit, continuously evolving through exploration and discovery. Women played a pivotal yet often overlooked role in ancient astronomy, shaping the understanding of celestial phenomena alongside their male counterparts. In many civilizations, their contributions were interwoven with the fabric of daily life, where they observed the cycles of the moon and the movements of stars, guiding agricultural practices and religious observances. This intimate relationship with the cosmos allowed them to develop sophisticated methods of tracking time and predicting seasonal changes. In some regions, women acted as the primary caretakers of astronomical knowledge, passing down traditions and insights through generations. These custodians of wisdom often held significant influence within their communities, as their observations were crucial for survival in agrarian societies. While the grand narratives of astronomy frequently highlight male figures, it is essential to recognize the collective contributions of these women, whose insights have been foundational. The legacy of women in ancient astronomy resonates through the ages, echoing in the scholarly texts of later astronomers and the oral histories that have persisted. It is within this context that Atlas, the Titan who mapped the heavens, stands as a symbolic figure. His monumental task serves as a reminder that the pursuit of understanding the universe is enriched by the diverse perspectives of all individuals, regardless of gender. The interplay of their insights continues to illuminate the vastness of human curiosity and ingenuity. The development of scientific instruments owes much to the foundational work of Atlas. His meticulous observations and calculations laid the groundwork for future advancements in celestial navigation and astronomical measurements. Instruments such as the astrolabe and the quadrant found their roots in the principles he established, enabling astronomers to chart the stars with unprecedented accuracy. This evolution brought forth a range of devices designed to measure angles and distances in the heavens. The astrolabe allowed navigators to determine their latitude, while the quadrant provided a means to ascertain the altitude of celestial bodies. These tools not only enhanced navigation at sea, but also deepened the understanding of the cosmos. The design of these instruments often reflected the artistry of their makers, combining functionality with aesthetic elements. Intricate engravings and precise calibrations spoke to the meticulous nature of the work, ensuring that each device was both a scientific tool and a piece of craftsmanship. As societies progressed, the influence of Atlas's methodologies extended beyond astronomy, impacting fields such as geography and cartography. The quest for knowledge spurred the creation of maps that depicted not only terrestrial landscapes, but also the celestial sphere, bridging the gap between the earth and the heavens. These advancements marked a significant period in human exploration, forever altering the way individuals perceived their place in the universe. The development of the astrolabe represented a pivotal moment in the study of celestial navigation. This intricate instrument allowed for the measurement of the altitude of celestial bodies, facilitating more accurate mapping of the heavens. Its origins trace back to ancient civilizations, where it served as a bridge between the earthbound and the cosmic. The astrolabe became a vital tool for astronomers and navigators alike, enabling them to chart celestial movements with precision. Atlas, often revered as a titan of immense knowledge, is frequently associated with this technological evolution. His legendary role as a bearer of the heavens imbued his name with a sense of authority over the cosmos. The astrolabe's design evolved through the contributions of various cultures, including the Greeks and later the Islamic scholars, who expanded upon its capabilities. This collaboration across civilizations highlights a shared pursuit of understanding the universe. In this pursuit, the astrolabe served not merely as a tool, but as a symbol of enlightenment. It encapsulated the intermingling of mathematics, philosophy, and astronomy. Each engraving and adjustment reflected the knowledge of previous generations, while paving the way for future discoveries. Such instruments were crafted to navigate both physical landscapes and the vastness of the cosmos, embodying humanity's enduring quest to comprehend the celestial order. The legacy of this figure extends beyond mere navigation. It intertwines with cultural identity and heritage. In ancient societies, the act of mapping the heavens was not solely a scientific endeavor, but also a profound expression of their worldview. This figure became a symbol of knowledge, his imagery evoking reverence and respect. The celestial sphere, intricately linked to myths and legends, served as a canvas for storytelling, connecting generations through shared narratives. In various cultures, the personification of celestial bodies often drew inspiration from his attributes. Stars and constellations bore names that echoed wisdom and strength, reinforcing the belief that the cosmos held the keys to understanding one's place in the universe. This connection fostered communal ties, as communities gathered to observe the night sky, uniting in their quest for meaning. Artistic representations flourished, capturing the essence of the figure and his celestial companions. Temples and monuments were erected, not just to honor the divine but to celebrate the knowledge that illuminated their lives. The intricacies of celestial mapping served as a foundation for agricultural cycles, navigational routes, and seasonal festivals, further embedding this cosmological understanding into the cultural fabric. Through the ages, the essence of this knowledge has persisted, shaping identities and nurturing a sense of belonging in an ever-evolving world. The significance of celestial events in ancient rituals extended beyond mere observation. They were pivotal in shaping societal norms and communal gatherings. Alignments of stars and the phases of the moon dictated the timing of various ceremonies, marking important agricultural milestones and religious observances. These occurrences were viewed as manifestations of divine intent, guiding the actions and beliefs of entire civilizations. Communities gathered to witness phenomena such as solstices and eclipses, interpreting them as omens or blessings. The sighting of a new moon might signal the start of a festival, while the position of particular constellations could dictate the best times for planting crops. Such events fostered camaraderie, reinforcing the bonds of kinship and shared purpose among the populace. Rituals often involved offerings and prayers, aimed at appeasing celestial forces believed to influence terrestrial affairs. Elaborate ceremonies were orchestrated to honor the gods and seek their favor, reflecting a deep-rooted reverence for the cosmos. Temples and observatories, meticulously aligned with celestial bodies, served as both sacred spaces and centers of astronomical learning. These practices highlight the profound connection between humanity and the cosmos, illustrating how celestial events transcended the skies to become integral to the daily lives and spiritual beliefs of ancient peoples. Understanding this relationship reveals the depth of their cultural heritage and the enduring influence of these celestial phenomena. The transformation of the Atlas myth across cultures reflects the fluidity of storytelling and the adaptation of celestial narratives to local contexts. In ancient Greece, Atlas was depicted as the Titan burdened with holding up the heavens, a metaphor for strength and endurance. This image resonated deeply within the Greek pantheon, illustrating the struggle against cosmic forces. In contrast, the Roman interpretation shifted the emphasis to a more heroic figure, often celebrated in art and literature, symbolizing the weight of knowledge and the burden of fate. In various indigenous cultures, Atlas evolved into representations of the world's foundation. In some African traditions, figures akin to Atlas are depicted as guardians of the earth, intertwining celestial navigation with terrestrial wisdom. This illustrates a connection between the sky and the land, emphasizing the importance of astronomical knowledge for agricultural practices and seasonal cycles. The myth's essence has persisted through time, becoming a vessel for conveying moral and philosophical lessons. Such adaptations highlight humanity's enduring fascination with the cosmos and our quest to understand our place within it. Each retelling not only embodies the values and beliefs of its culture, but also reinforces the universal themes of struggle, responsibility, and the pursuit of knowledge. This enduring legacy serves as a testament to the interconnectedness of human experience across civilizations. Technological advancements have profoundly influenced the study of astronomy, allowing civilizations to transcend their limitations. The invention of the telescope marked a pivotal moment, enabling a clearer view of celestial bodies and fundamentally altering the understanding of the universe. Early astronomers, utilizing rudimentary instruments, sought to comprehend the night sky. But those who embraced this new technology could observe planets and stars with unprecedented detail. This region, rich with intellectual curiosity, saw scholars meticulously documenting their findings, fostering a culture of knowledge exchange. The refinement of tools throughout history further propelled this exploration. Instruments such as the sextant and later, the spectroscope, provided insights into the composition and behavior of celestial entities. These discoveries laid the groundwork for the modern understanding of the cosmos, revealing the intricate relationships between various astronomical phenomena. The development of digital technology in more recent times has further transformed the field. It has facilitated the collection and analysis of vast amounts of data, allowing scientists to model complex scenarios and predict cosmic events with accuracy. Observatories, equipped with advanced sensors, can now capture light from distant galaxies, illuminating the darkness of the universe. Such progress underscores the ongoing journey of human inquiry, where each innovation paves the way for deeper exploration of the celestial realm, reaffirming the enduring quest for knowledge across generations. This enduring quest for knowledge is reflected in the artistic representations of figures like Atlas, often portrayed in classical sculpture. These works encapsulate the essence of his mythological burden, illustrating the Titan as a powerful figure, eternally supporting the heavens upon his shoulders. Such depictions draw from both the physicality of the human form and the weight of celestial responsibility, conveying a sense of strength and resilience. Marble and bronze sculptures breathe life into his character, transforming abstract concepts into tangible forms. Artists skillfully emphasized muscular tension and intricate details, capturing the essence of struggle. Each curve and line tells a story, inviting contemplation of the weight borne by this mythic figure. Surrounding environments, often adorned with flora or celestial motifs, enhance the narrative, situating Atlas within a broader cosmological framework. These representations resonate deeply in the cultural psyche, echoing themes of endurance and duty. The aesthetic choices reflect not only the technical mastery of the sculptors, but also the philosophical inquiries of the time. Through these artworks, the complexities of existence and the human condition are explored, revealing a shared understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. Such sculptures serve as timeless reminders of humanity's quest to comprehend the universe and its mysteries. Celestial bodies played a central role in ancient belief systems, often regarded as divine entities influencing earthly affairs. This region, marked by the alignment of structures with astronomical phenomena, highlights the profound connection between the heavens and spiritual practices. Temples were frequently oriented towards solstices and equinoxes, reflecting the significance of these events in agricultural cycles and ritual observances. Observatories constructed by various civilizations allowed for meticulous tracking of celestial movements, reinforcing the notion of cosmic order. Such alignment provided not only a practical calendar, but also a framework for understanding existence. These patterns in the sky were interpreted as messages from the divine, guiding decisions in both governance and daily life. In many cultures, deities were associated with specific planets and constellations. Rituals often revolved around these celestial markers, reinforcing communal identity and shared beliefs. The cyclical nature of astronomical events paralleled the cycles of life, death, and rebirth, deeply embedding these concepts into the social fabric. The meticulous observations made by astronomers, such as Atlas, were more than scientific pursuits. They were intertwined with spirituality. This connection shaped ethical and moral codes, as the movements of the stars were seen as reflections of cosmic justice. Such understanding fostered a sense of unity between humanity and the vast, mysterious universe beyond. The symbolic relationships between Atlas and other cosmic figures reveal profound insights into ancient thought. Often depicted as a burdened giant, Atlas embodies the weight of celestial knowledge, holding the heavens aloft. This act of support resonates deeply within various mythologies, signifying the connection between earth and sky, mortal and divine. In many cultures, he stands alongside gods and celestial beings, emphasizing a shared responsibility in the cosmic order. Prominent among these figures is Hercules, whose 12 labors symbolize the struggle against chaos. This relationship extends beyond mere mythology, illustrating the balance between strength and endurance. Atlas's association with Hercules suggests a duality, where the Titan's strength lies not only in physical might, but also in intellectual resilience. These narratives intertwine, showcasing how knowledge and labor contribute to the greater good. Constellations, shaped by Atlas's observations, further deepen this connection. The stars serve as permanent markers in the celestial sphere, echoing the themes of navigation and discovery. Each star carries stories of gods, heroes, and the natural world, reinforcing Atlas's role as a guide. This enduring legacy manifests in the way ancient civilizations sought to understand their place within the cosmos, fostering a sense of belonging. In this light, the relationships between Atlas and other figures illuminate a shared pursuit of knowledge, stability, and interconnectedness that transcends time and culture. The act of mapping the heavens carries profound philosophical implications that extend beyond mere observation. It signifies humanity's innate desire to comprehend the vastness surrounding them, prompting reflections on existence and purpose. This endeavor transforms celestial bodies into symbols of aspiration and inquiry, inviting civilizations to ponder their own significance within the grand scheme of the universe. Such cartographic efforts foster a deeper awareness of cycles and patterns, encouraging societies to align their rituals and agricultural practices with celestial events. This alignment nurtures a sense of order and predictability in an otherwise chaotic world, reinforcing the belief that the cosmos operates under discernible laws. The alignment of these practices illustrates a connection between the microcosm of human life and the macrocosm of the universe. In various cultures, the heavens served as both a literal and metaphorical guide, shaping moral frameworks and philosophical doctrines. The constellations, in particular, became repositories of stories and archetypes, enriching the collective human experience. The act of mapping itself transforms the intangible into something tangible, giving individuals a sense of mastery over their environment. These celestial maps also inspire collaboration among scholars and astronomers, resulting in the exchange of ideas across borders and cultures. This sharing of knowledge underscores a universal quest for understanding, bridging gaps that geography and time might otherwise impose. Oral tradition played a pivotal role in preserving astronomical knowledge across generations. In societies where written language had yet to emerge, the spoken word became a vessel for complex ideas and observations. Elders and scholars recounted celestial events, crafting narratives that interwove history with the movements of stars and planets. These recitations often took place during gatherings, allowing communities to engage in collective memory, ensuring that vital information persisted even as individual lives faded. This method of transmission was not merely functional. It fostered a deep connection to the cosmos. The rhythms of the seasons, the cycles of the moon, and the appearance of constellations all found their place in these stories. By framing astronomical phenomena within the context of cultural beliefs and practices, societies imbued the heavens with significance. The night sky transformed into a shared canvas, orze wistri stinate, or sickle vitaini oeltha, reflecting the values and aspirations of the people who looked upon it. In some regions, the alignment of celestial bodies guided agricultural practices, influencing planting and harvest times. The wisdom encoded in oral traditions thus became essential for survival, linking the community's fate to the rhythms of the universe. As these stories evolved, they adapted to new observations, creating a dynamic record that honored both the past and the present, ensuring that knowledge remained vibrant and relevant. The future of astronomical studies will undoubtedly draw upon the methods and insights provided by Atlas. This ancient figure's meticulous mapping of the cosmos serves as a foundation upon which modern astronomy builds. The techniques employed in ancient times, characterized by careful observation and thoughtful documentation, resonate with contemporary practices. Such diligence in collecting data, combined with the use of advanced technology, enhances the understanding of celestial patterns. Innovations in telescopic equipment and digital modeling will continue to refine the comprehension of the universe, emulating the precision with which Atlas approached the skies. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning offers unprecedented opportunities for analyzing vast datasets, reflecting a continuation of Atlas's legacy. As scholars study the star charts and calculations left behind, they glean insight not only into the stars themselves but also into the very nature of inquiry. Educational institutions increasingly emphasize the importance of historical knowledge in cultivating new astronomers, fostering an appreciation for the foundational work of figures like Atlas. These efforts ensure that the spirit of exploration remains alive, encouraging new generations to seek answers to the cosmos's lingering mysteries. The interplay between ancient wisdom and modern technology paves the way for discoveries that will shape humanity's understanding of its place in the universe for centuries to come. Atlas the astronomer's contributions endure, echoing through time as a testament to human curiosity and intellect. His meticulous records of celestial bodies provided the foundation for subsequent generations of astronomers who sought to decode the universe's mysteries. This legacy is not merely a collection of star charts, but a profound influence on navigation, agriculture, and the very fabric of society. In this region, the remnants of ancient observatories serve as silent witnesses to his work. These structures, weathered by time, continue to inspire reflection on the pursuit of knowledge. The precision with which Atlas mapped the heavens facilitated a deeper understanding of celestial navigation, guiding explorers across uncharted waters. The principles he established resonate in modern astronomical practices, where technology enhances the accuracy of observations. They draw upon his insights, utilizing advanced instruments to push the boundaries of what is known. This connection between past and present illuminates the continuity of human endeavor in the quest for understanding. His influence stretches beyond astronomy, impacting philosophy, art, and culture. The narratives inspired by his work remind us of the shared human experience in grappling with existence. Atlas the astronomer remains a symbol of the enduring desire to explore, to question, and the waster.